Hello, I'm Mario Moldari, Technical Director here at Jama Software. Today I'll be walking through a few of our AI features, including our new relationship discovery functionality. The biggest challenges our customers face isn't creating requirements, it's maintaining complete traceability as projects grow. As projects evolve, requirements change, teams change, and knowledge gets fragmented. Missing relationships often aren't discovered until a design review, impact analysis, or audit when they're much more expensive to fix. Relationship discovery addresses that problem by using AI to recommend likely relationships between Jama Connect items, helping teams identify traceability gaps earlier. Let's take a look at how this works in Jama Connect. This is the dashboard view in Jama Connect that shows a straightforward traceability information model, or TIM. The TIM defines the expected traceability structure for your project. It is the governing context layer. You can see the flow from high-level stakeholder needs all the way down to tests and defects. Now we can switch over to the Explorer view where we have all of our requirements organized by set. Let's take a look at the stakeholder need requirements, which by definition in the TIM should have system requirements associated to them. If we look at the trace view, we can see that only a handful of system requirements are actually linked. In any case where they are not, are automatically flagged by the system. This level of governance and control allows me to know exactly which requirements and item types need the most review and attention. Now we can work actively to address that by using the relationship discovery feature to find potential related items to link to. In the document view, I can select a particular requirement, and you'll see the Jama Connect Advisor dropdown appear on the right. There are two options here. The batch analyze will perform a quality analysis on the requirement using Encosi and EAR standards and provide me back a score. At this point, I could choose to suggest to have it rewritten automatically by clicking the Refine button or update it myself manually. This allows you to ensure you have a quality requirement even before you start linking downstream items to it. Now, let's choose the Recommended Items to Relate option. We have the ability to pick from different item types in the project, but in this case, we'll choose system requirements, since by project definition, a stakeholder need is supposed to have a system requirement linked downstream. Once we initiate the search, a list of recommended items is returned. Each one is given a rating based on the AI analysis of Jama Connect Advisor. As you can see, the system has returned a number of suggested requirements to consider. The first three are strong, and then there's some weaker suggestions that still may be valid but need some analysis by a human. Each match has a direct link to the suggested requirement so that I can review each one to determine if it should be linked or not. This keeps a human in the loop but tremendously speeds up time in finding potential matches to link. It's especially helpful in very complex projects or projects that have grown significantly over a long period of time. And these results are available to all users and they persist for 30 days. I'm going to click on the first three strong requirements and relate them. And you can see that they've been added as downstream items to the requirement. So I can have a process in place where I review all these suggested items and I go ahead and link them as needed, but always keeping a human in the loop. Java Connect Advisor also allows users to quickly generate test cases to relate directly to the requirements they need to validate. Let's see how that works. I'm going to now click on a hardware requirement and click on the Jama Connect Advisor test case generation button here on the right. And I will select some test context. I will select test type in this case. And I'll select a test vertical, and I'll choose to generate with test steps so that my test cases also have detailed test steps that I can review. I can even provide additional context such as constraints or boundaries, additional prompting and instructions. And I'll go ahead and generate the test cases. And you'll see that within a few seconds, I'm given 9 test cases for review, and each of them containing a series of test steps as well. So as a human in the loop, I can go through and review each of these for applicability. If I didn't like any of them or feel that none of them were applicable, I could regenerate the test cases right from here. Looking at the steps for a particular test, if I didn't find those to be adequate, I could regenerate all the test steps. I could even look at these test steps and then supplement them with additional details and test steps. But say, for example, this verify propulsion system thrust output is a good test, and I feel that it applies to what I'm doing here. I can go and select a location for where I want the test to be created, and of course, Jama Connect will suggest the best location for that based on my traceability information model, and I will select that, and then I will create the selected test case. And within a few seconds, I get a prompt letting me know that it has indeed been created. And I can go back to my hardware requirement at this point, the one that we initially started with. And I can go ahead and refresh my traceability. And I can see that there is now the test case not only created in the location that I specified, but automatically linked to my hardware requirement. So this functionality greatly speeds up the test case generation process and with proper context, while always keeping me, the human in the loop. And the time is literally reduced from hours or days to minutes. In summary, Java Connect Advisor enables teams to create high-quality requirements with Quality Advisor, quickly discover related items with requirements discovery, and rapidly generate test cases, all while keeping humans in the loop. Together, these capabilities have a tremendous impact on product velocity, helping teams accelerate development and reduce time to market. Thank you for watching this Features in 5 on Jama Connect Advisor and the Relationship Discovery feature. To learn more, please contact your Customer Success Manager or go to jamasoftware.com. Thank you.